As a habit coach, I keep teaching you how to give up snacking on food. However, there is a different kind of snacking that is very good for you. And I can't wait for you to take a bite out of this habit. Welcome to the Habit Coach podcast. I'm Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach. The podcast where we evolve into the best versions of ourselves, one awesome habit at a time. Now, meditation is such a scary word for most of us. We think that it is reserved for this lucky few. We think that we cannot sit in meditation as we have this monkey mind that keeps running around and causing all sorts of damage around us. And that is true. Many of us cannot sit for 2 or 3 hours in meditation. And as a result, we don't even begin to practice it. Now, I've been meditating for the last 10 years, and I know just what a difference it has made to my life. The clarity in thinking, the kind of focus that comes from practicing meditation, as well as this ability to sense things in the environment around me. I keep telling people that our minds can feel like the surface of a very still lake, so calm and still that it turns into a mirror, not a ripple in sight. Now ask yourself, why do you want to learn meditation? And you will always get this one same answer: for peace of mind. And yet in life, we are choosing to destroy this peace of mind every single day. If there are too many red lights on our way to work, or if we are late for a meeting, we get upset. We curse the government for these red lights. We curse the people on the road for creating so much traffic. Then, once we reach this meeting, we realize that we are the only ones there and everyone else is running late. So we begin to curse them as well. We start that inner negative self-talk about how nobody respects me, nobody respects my time, and soon our monkey mind has taken over. It is swinging from one branch to the next, one thought to the next, causing all sorts of damage here and there. And by the time the meeting starts, you are angry and your self-confidence is low. Your peace is gone. How well do you think this meeting will go? All because you allowed that situation to take over your minds. I call it meditation munching or shanti snacking. Shanti means peace in Hindi. What I do is I look for opportunities of 2 to 5 minutes. That's it. Just 2 to 5 minutes through the day where I can close my eyes and meditate for those few minutes. I do this if I'm waiting for someone to join me for coffee, or if I'm waiting for my Uber to arrive. I do this if there is a particularly long signal while driving somewhere. I use all these opportunities to meditate a little. I just close my eyes and focus on my breathing. I then consciously look at all the thoughts running around in my mind and just say, not now, not now, not now. And after a while, all these thoughts slowly disappear. And for a few moments, my mind is like a blank slate, all clean and clear. I munch like this all the time. If you're ever late to meet me and apologize for saying, "Oh, I'm sorry to keep you waiting," I always reply by saying, "Oh, I was not waiting." And this is because I was meditation munching at the time. As soon as we realize that we are in charge of our own peace and our own shanti, we can own our happiness and nothing can stop us. No matter what is happening in the world around us, we can come back to our peaceful existence. Like I said, sitting in meditation for 45 minutes or an hour is very difficult for us. But we can sit in meditation for just a few minutes. We can use this as a practice time for calming our minds. Just close your eyes and breathe. Feel the air coming in through your nose, and as it comes in and goes out, you do not judge it. You do not breathe in any fancy way, just like you would normally breathe. Just observe that breath. Now, while munching on food throughout the day, it will make you fat. Munching on meditation will make you peaceful and blissful. If you like this episode, don't forget to hit subscribe. Also give us a rating. It really helps with people discovering the podcast. If you like podcasts like this, check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can also watch all the episodes on the Habit Coach Awesome 180 YouTube channel. Follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, everywhere. You can also reach out to me. I am Ashdin Doc at Twitter and Instagram. You can connect with me on my website, awesome180.com. You can also check out my 2 new books, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life, and the second, The Book of Good Habits for Kids. I'm Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach.
IVM